Hey there, in this video we will talk about the use of properties and shortcut keys in building automation. Again, there are 5 different ways to drive your automation, or software robot. The first one is the use of API. The second one is what we call the object-based navigation using HTML objects and window objects. The third way is the property base. When we say properties, we are talking about elements like file name, application names, folder names and folder/file paths. These are the properties. The fourth way is to drive the bot by using the keystrokes, or shortcut keys. Now in this video, we will cover the third and the fourth way, which are the property-driven and shortcut key-driven automation scenario. By the way, the fifth way is to drive your bot using screen images. Now let's get started. Here is the stew. Let's build an example bot that uses the property base and the keystroke base navigations together. Firstly, we use the run program operation. As you can see, this is a very simple operation which requires one parameter. Over here in this parameter text box, you must specify the application name and location you want to start, or file name and location you want to open. Or if there is a variable, or abbreviated command, that Windows can recognize, you can use it too. For example, just putting CMD like so will start Windows command line interface. A similar example would be Notepad. This will start the Notepad application. Using the application location is another way. When I want to start MS Paint, I just drag and drop this full path for the MS Paint application like so, it would open Paint. Similarly, dragging and dropping this Excel sheet like so will open this Excel. A slightly different example would be by specifying the application followed by a parameter. Here we say Chrome, but not just opening it, but by adding the URL of the website like this, you can make Chrome to start and go to the website. Make sure the spelling is correct. When you take this automation scenario to a test run, it runs like this. Also, a good property base operation would be the select window operation. It has these icons right here, and by using this target icon like so, we'll capture the screenshot of the target application as well as property data right here. As you see, it says Paint. Like in this example, when you have multiple windows by multiple applications open on your desktop, it is very important that you control which one of these applications has the Windows focus. In this case, select window using properties is useful. This operation allows the use of wildcard, asterisk, like so. You can use as like this. Now let's move on to the example of the shortcut key-based navigation. The operation we use here is the shortcut key. After opening the command line interface, we can use text input and type a command like dir. And after that, the shortcut key operation right here. Use it to perform keystrokes like enter, which is going to execute dir, and then I register Ctrl+C like this to copy the contents in the clipboard. Since I will have a notepad open here, so I place another shortcut key here and then register Ctrl+V to paste the contents from the clipboard. Okay, let's take this automation scenario to a test run. First, close these applications that are already open, and then by right-clicking on this operation right here, it would give you option to test partially. I will run it. Execution successful. Happy automation.